Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain how a bad oxygen sensor can cost you thousands of dollars if not fixed on time. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys. It could be practically any Fiat 500 with gasoline or diesel engine. If you have one of those and you're trying to find where the upstream oxygen sensor is located, this is also known as oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 1. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain why it's super important to fix problem relating to that sensor, because otherwise you can do quite a bit of damage to your vehicle guys. You may end up spending thousands of dollars in the future if you keep driving with a bad oxygen sensor, and we'll explain why. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we guys try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing these absolutely free videos to you. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So what we have specifically here, this is a Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have a different one, procedure will be about the same. Where is the upstream oxygen sensor located? If you open the hood guys, you will need to locate the intake and the exhaust side of your engine. On one side of your engine you have the intake manifold, that's where the car gets its air and fuel from. On the other side is the exhaust right here. And we have two oxygen sensors. One is located here, okay? Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what each one of those is for and how driving with a bad oxygen sensor can destroy your engine. And the other one is underneath, okay? Talking about this one here. The purpose of that one, this is known as downstream oxygen sensor or oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2. It detects if the catalytic converter practically it's doing its job there guys, if it's working. Now on top, if you come, this is the upstream oxygen sensor or bank 1, oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. It detects how much fuel and air you have in the exhaust. It will send that information to the engine computer, which by the way will do some it will do some adjustments to fuel, air. It will do adjustments to variable timing, so you have nice clean running engine that's efficient, powerful and not polluting. So that sensor is super important. If it's not working correctly, your car may be putting way too much gas. You may experience increased fuel consumption, burning more fuel, gasoline or diesel if you have a diesel engine. You may experience problems with catalytic converter later, because if it's burning more fuel, that can actually slowly destroy your catalytic converter as well, due to the fact that in some cases that rich fuel mixture means that you have more fuel than air in the system, may cause excessive heat in the catalytic converter, where it can actually cause damage in the long run. So always guys, fix that problem as soon as you can. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.